People always ask me, what's it feel like? What's it feel like to hurl yourself down an icy chute at 80, 90 miles an hour? Is it scary? The luge track, it's a chute of ice that starts 50 stories up the mountain. You're gonna be sliding down that mountain on a little bitty sled, just a piece of fiberglass and a couple of steel runners. And you wanna quit with every fiber in your being. The hair starts standing in the back of your neck, because you know what could happen down there. Sometimes I gotta walk up and down the track, 15, 20 minutes, give myself a pep talk. And finally, the belief kicks in, the courage kicks in. And you say to yourself, man, I will get on that sled. And when I do, I'm pointing those toes, head's going back, and look out, I'm gonna have my best run ever. Hi, I'm Ruben Gonzalez. I made it to 4 Winter Olympics in 4 different decades, and I've written 6 best-selling books. Have you ever felt that you wanted to quit and give up? Are you facing obstacles you feel you can't overcome? I'd like to invite you to join me on this journey to learn the principles that I followed to make it to the Olympics. I will share with you how to endure failure, how to dream big, how to put yourself out there, and how to deal with pressure or tragedy. This course will give you the courage to face your fear and become tenacious in achieving your goals, both in business and in life.